curly Italian parsley. That's what I'm gonna use today. Take it off the stems like this. Save the stems. Stay tuned for why I'm doing that. With parsley, we always wanna just take it off the stem. Cilantro, sort of leave it on the stem. More flavor on cilantro. But anyways, subscribe and find out why I'm gonna be using these stems. Okay, so garlic, lemon zest, parsley. That's what we're doing. This is called Gremolata and it's delicious. I'm gonna add salt to this and turn it into a cure. And then there is our Gremolata cure. Gremolata is delicious with a bird. I used to do this for years when I worked at a country club. Just cover the whole thing with our Gremolata cure. Also, look at how pretty that is, dude. Some inside the hole. And then we will just let this sit out for around 30 minutes while the oven is preheating. Gremolata bird. Or we can do a really fine cure, like this. And then we can take an egg, like this. And then drop it into our cure. And then we just cover it up. Okay, cure for 2 days. Cured egg yolk. Yeah.
You're terrible, man.
This is black garlic flaky salt. Boom, eggs and rice.